Hey everyone, Glenn Coe, Realtor with Dan Plowman Team Realty. Today here I'm Ajax with my newest listing. It's 33 Delaney Drive. Come check it out. Thanks again for touring this beautiful home. Again, it's Glenn Coe, Realtor with Dan Plowman Team Realty. If you have any questions regarding this property, call the number above. And if you don't want to miss out on any other great opportunities on our team, click on that subscribe button. Have a great day.